The 0.00097143 support level for the US dollar essentially represents areas of strength, for truly is genuinely significant. Vethor tokens EMA-10 exhibits a falling pattern in an unobtrusive way, but they basically considered Vtho and Vtho records sort of downward development nowadays, which is quite critical. July 19, 2023. In this video, we will primarily lead you through Vethor, particularly token cost examination for now or for the most part 1 week from now, and generally seek to answer these very frequently asked clarification on some critical difficulties facts. What is a particularly transient cost expectation for Vethor token for the most part is Vtho, and why is interest in an especially significant manner? These are extremely token help and obstruction levels, and so forth in a sort of significant manner, be that as it may. Before plunging sort of profound into the Vtho, specialized investigation sort of allowed us fundamentally to discuss the in every practical sense current economic situations. The genuinely all-out exchanging volume usually continues at 3,093,017,822, demonstrating how the particularly all-out exchanging volume basically remains at 3,093,017,822, or so they truly believed. Bitcoin has 48.37% of the entry market, while Vethor has a strength of 16.5%. They were generally concerned about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to 29,837.66 level after a decay of 0.14, or so they thought. Various alternative cryptographic forms of money, as Vethor has seen a cost increment of 0.15 coming to 1899.9 cents during the previous 24 hours, or so they certainly thought, while distributing this blog XRP exchange at 80 cents. BNBD is a particular local coin of BNB that has increased by 0.18 and is currently exchanging at 240.64 cents in a tremendous way. Coco's BCX fell to 60 cents after a 0.77% drop in value, demonstrating that it also Coco's BCX dropped to 60 cents after experiencing a 0.77% drop in value. These events sort of demonstrate that the market generally is heading in an especially descending bearing for truly momentary in an especially large manner. As of now, a kind of broad, certainly bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in a kind of huge manner. These are pretty symbolic. Help and opposition, backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to essentially distinguish really key cost levels where the pattern can head in. A diff support, for the most part, is a level at which purchasers generally become all the more extremely dynamic and truly prevent the coin as cost from falling any further in a generally enormous manner. Similarly, obstruction, for the most part, is a level at which vendors explicitly become move in every practical sense dynamic and explicit prohibit coin as costs from rising, demonstrating that. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents after seeing a decline of 0.77 in esteem, demonstrating that. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents after seeing a decline of 0.77 in esteem, all things considered in contrast to mainstream thinking following for the most part or the help and opposition levels of Vthor genuinely token execution. The cost of Vethor genuinely token execution is at 0.001 down 1.9, and the most recent what for the most part is transient cost expectation for Vethor token explicitly is Vtho, a wise speculation, or so they sort of thought. 1-day exchanging volume for BTC particularly is 967,448.00 United States dollars. While overall market cap came to 59,727,641 United States dollars, so support sort of is a level at which purchasers generally become sort of more sort of dynamic and in all practical sense prevent the coin as cost from falling any further. Wick, while distributing this blog XRP exchange at 80 cents following a value change of 5.0.65 Insight a similar time period, so full fall 1.97 in 7 days. Vethor certainly token value examination Vtho cost investigation for July 19, 2023 inside a day-to-day time period made sense of beneath, or so they truly thought. We utilize pretty relative strength in every practical sense. INDEX RSI moving in every practical sense, normal mixture and disparity macked backing levels, blockage levels, distinct time span moving midpoints, including unquestionably uncomplicated moving, truly normal tiny and exceptional moving, all things considered typical EMA to study the future development of the Vthor token in general, demonstrating how Vethor tokens EMA10 in particular displays a really declining trend, which is extremely significant. The primary support level for Vethor specifically token is at 0.001, while the genuinely second one truly is at $0.000971143, demonstrating how one-day exchanging volume for BTC generally is 967,448.00 United States dollars, while particularly total market cap came to 59,727,641 United States dollars. So support is a level at which purchasers become genuinely more sort of dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they truly thought. What true signal exchange is often possible at this range, which is generally highly significant. After a hybrid in a large manner Vthor basically token, the MACD line remains beneath the especially signal line. Financial backers must remain vigilant for any shift in direction. Bitcoin price prediction. As the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision gets closer, has Bitcoin already hit bottom? The next meeting of the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, is planned for Wednesday. And market participants are eagerly waiting to see what happens and how it might affect Bitcoin and other financial assets. As the FOMC meets to decide on the federal interest rate, the cryptocurrency market is tense. Investors are asking if Bitcoin has already hit its bottom or if there will be more volatility in the future. At the time this was written, one Bitcoin was worth $29,260, and its 24-hour trade volume was a whopping $11.8 billion. The choices made by the FOMC could have a big effect on where Bitcoin's price goes and how people feel about the cryptocurrency market as a whole. Let's take a look at the technical side of the market and see what we can figure out about the Bitcoin price. How much will Bitcoin cost? Bitcoin, the most popular cryptocurrency, had a big drop in value and was getting close to $28,850. But a recent doji candle that closed just above this key level shows that bearish sentiment may be weakening. Also, the presence of a doji candle and a spinning top candle near the $28,800 mark makes a bullish trend or decline more likely. Also, both the Relative Strength Index, RSI, and the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, are in the oversold zone, which makes it more likely that the price will turn up. It is important to keep a close eye on the $28,850 level, because a break above it could cause Bitcoin to aim for